Here we are going through this little, I would call it a little bit of a butterfly garden summer landscape, and we are bombarded by this beautiful lady's mantle. Now this is a wonderful display of lady's mantle. Really meant to have this kind of effect where it's grown as a border plant, and nice to see along a stone path as we stumble upon these ground cover roses here and the sedum that is growing in the background. With these hardy geranium. We have two kinds of hardy geranium, one with a fuchsia and one here a much paler and softer pink with a lovely hardy shrub rose. And then lavender here is about to bloom, and that will be a lovely combination. In a few days it will open and be just a wonderful composition.